Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we got a package today that we're going to be installing. We got some knob covers for the F-150 for the interior, red to match the red interior that we got. So I'll kind of open it up, show you what it looks like. Some basic knob covers for our center entertainment system, basically. So obviously got some cool little red knob covers. I think it's gonna give like a nice little accent to the interior. And if you're looking for these, I'll put a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and check these out. Let's see how they look. So they should be pretty easy, just gonna pop them right on. Also, before we get started, if you're looking for car or truck parts, guys, Speed Lab, link in the description down below. Use my discount code PM20, get 20% off your order. Let's jump right into the video. And like I said, if you want these, link in the description down below. I'll list them. They're not that much money, guys. Pretty easy. So we got the first. I actually don't know which knob goes to what. It's got some adhesive here to stick because I'm sure they slide around. But for example, let's do the first one here. I'm sure it goes right there. It's kind of cool. Little red accents there. We got this one. That one, we got this one down here. I think these four are all the same, so. Then we got the small one for the little, this one's gonna go for the four-wheel drive one here. And that one is gonna need some adhesive. It doesn't stick on. Trailer backup assist, which is also gonna need adhesive because it's not gonna stick. Which is why they gave the adhesive here, I'm assuming. There we go. And then we're gonna put the adhesive on. Whoop, on the big one. All right, so the adhesive is on. We're just gonna go ahead and slide that right over. There we go. All right, how we looking? I think it looks cool, man, with the red interior. Got the carbon fiber little dash going on. We got the little red knobs. You know, gives a little something, something, you know. I think the interior is turning out pretty good. So really, realistically, I'll kind of show you. These kind of just snapped right on, really easy. And they're not loose or anything. These were the loose ones, which is why they give you the little adhesive tape to go ahead and stick it on. But yeah, man, honestly, like, I was on the fence at first, but I think they turned out really good. You know, I like them. I like them. I think they match, you know, the interior pretty well. I'm in the process of getting this nice steering wheel for the truck. I think it's gonna look so sick, leather wrapped, almost look like a Raptor steering wheel. I'm in the process of doing that, and I think I'm gonna get like a little red stitching up top. So interior is coming along pretty well, y'all. What do y'all think? If you want it, link in the description down below. I appreciate company that sent me out. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to go check them out. They're not that much. So like I said, if you want them, go ahead and take them. The only thing that I have to say about it is the air one, I can't tell where it is, you know, because the arrow is on the outside, and I can't tell where the arrow is because the knob is over it. This one, the arrow's on the inside, so you can see it. So the arrow's like right on the outside here, so I can't really figure out where the air setting is until I hit the bottom, so I know I'm at the bottom. So yeah, so that's the only thing. But other than that, it looks cool. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all later. Peace.